Oh, big boy. What up? You good? Look at him. Oh, Nyla. Are you serious? I just came back home from grocery shopping. It was quite an exhausting day. What are you doing? I'm hanging out here with the clients, spending some quality time. It's a beautiful day. It was a hot day. That's why they're super exhausted. I'm just gonna get active now when the sun goes down and you know, the temperatures get colder and they'll start to run around and jump around. But for now, it's a little good, as you guys can see. But what I actually wanted to let you guys know is that we finally made it to edit and finalize that video, which I told you guys about, I think yesterday or the day before yesterday. So we're gonna post it today. I'm super excited to share with you guys. Stay tuned for that video. And yeah, greetings from the Pride. See you later. Bye-bye.